Back to school is not just about new school shoes, backpacks, or pens, or putting up your bulletin boards, or checking off a list of to-dos, or setting a new routine. Back to school means back to friendships. It's back to possibilities, back to collaboration, a fresh start. Back to school is back to scraped knees and tough conversations and realizing we're not perfect. It dares us to push ourselves to try something new. Back to school is back to cheering on your students. It's back to inspiration, your passion, back to the reason you started teaching in the first place. Back to those aha moments when a lesson finally clicks for a struggling student. Back to school is about bringing back the magic, that intangible element in each of us as we're growing, learning, and shaping a better future. And at the heart of it all, teachers. Because teachers are magic.